Hello, welcome back to Mr. M's virtual classroom. This is Scratch 3.0 lesson number 5. Okay, this will be the last session for this Virus Busters game video tutorial. Okay, let us not waste any more time. Okay, so far we have not used the variable underscore, okay, where we need to click on the sprite and gain points. Alright, so we are going to do that. Okay, so what we need to do first, click on Mr. Bat over here. Okay, what we need to do next is go to event, choose when this sprite is clicked. Okay, so when you use this, okay, this will be in reference to the bat. Okay, so just make sure that you know which sprite you're working on. Okay, so when this sprite is clicked, okay, choose variable and then choose change my variable by 1. Okay, but we're going to change the my variable to score. Okay, what it means is that whenever you click on Mr. Bat, your score will be increased by 1. Okay, and we will want it to hide. Okay, meaning that whenever we click, and then Mr. Bat will disappear. So we are going to choose look, right, and then search for hide, which is here. Okay, drag and then drop it above the change score by 1, right? Okay, from the game that I've shown you earlier, whenever we click on the sprite, it will make certain sound. Yeah, so we will add in sound. Click on sound over here. This sound will act as a sound effect. Alright, so we're going to search for the sound, so choose a sound under search. I'm going to choose a boing sound. You can test it out first by clicking at this button to listen to the sound that you're going to actually choose. I'm just going to choose the big boing and I will try it out. And let us just go back to code. Right, so click on sound and choose play sound big boing until done. So we'll just drag this and then put it there. You can put it either on top or at the bottom, doesn't matter. So just leave it like that and then we'll try. So for this one will be the bat. The rest will not have will not make any sound. Anyway, we are going to actually do the same codes for gobo and ghost. But for now we will just try it out on the bat. Let us just maximize and then click on the green flag. We'll try to click only on the bat, and see whether the sound will appear. As we manage to click on the bat, you can see that the score increases. So let us just stop the game first, minimize it. And we are going to copy this, copy this block to gobo and ghost. I believe you can still remember how to do this. So we are going to do this now. Click on it, hold, and then just drag it to gobo. So gobo will have the same block of codes. Next, let's just go back to bat, do the same thing for ghost. Okay, let me just expand this so that it will make it easier for us to transfer this code onto ghost. Okay, so what we need to do is click, hold, and then drag. Okay, and then drop it to ghost. Click on ghost, and ghost should have the same block of codes over here. Okay, alright, but there is something that we need to do. Okay, because we do not want them to have the same sound effect, so we are going to change the sound over here. Okay, we will start with Gobo. Okay, by default Gobo may have a pop sound. Okay, over here. Okay, what I need to do is just change this to pop. Okay, next we will go to ghost. Alright, of course ghost will also have its own sound by default. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, so it will sound like this. Okay, I think it's a bit too long. Okay, so I'm going to change. Alright, so what I need to do, I am going to delete off this. Okay, choose a sound, and I will just choose effect. Okay, there will be a lot of good short sound effect for you to choose. Okay, maybe I am going to choose this one, chomp. Okay, you can increase the sound to make it louder. Okay, and then make it a bit faster. Right, I think I will just make it a bit slower. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, go back to code and then change this to chomp. Okay, let us try. Maximize this. We click on the green flag and okay, so each sprite will have its own sound effect. Okay, basically it's a bit silent. Okay, beside the sound effect. Okay, you can actually add in background music to your game. Okay, so let us minimize the screen. Okay, go to stage. Okay, we are going to add in a new sound. Alright, so go to sound, click on choose a sound over here, choose loop, and then scroll down until you see video game. Okay, we are going to choose this sound. Okay, just click on it. Right, let us just go back to code. Alright, so what we are going to do is go to event. Okay, put in when the green flag is clicked. Okay, you will need to have the sound to be looping, meaning that it will keep on playing until your timer is up, which is timer is equal to 0. Okay, so go to control, choose forever. Okay, and go to sound, and then choose play video game 1 until done, because that's the one that we chose for the background music. Okay, so just bring this and then put it inside here. Okay, so if you're wondering, okay, because this one will be forever, okay, will the sound keep on playing when the game is up? Okay, it will actually stop, because over here, alright, what it says is that, alright, when the timer is equal to 0, okay, what happened is that, okay, everything will stop, the game and also the background sound. Okay, so you can try it out. Okay, let us maximize the screen, and then we'll click on the green flag and try it out. Okay. I scored 68. All right, now it sounds better with the background music. Okay. Basically you already finished, okay, doing this game. Okay, congratulations. Alright, I will see you in lesson 6, and we are going to create a brand new game. Okay, so see you again later. Bye bye.